guys, what's up? I'm back from my long-awaited break, or long break. Um, I have been kind of trading recently. I'll show you my P now and everything. But yeah, the reason why my screen's like this because this left side is broken, and yeah, that's mostly why. Uh, but yeah, my leg's been going pretty bad recently. I've just like last week I started trading. I mean, I passed my eval and everything, unqualified. Oh shit. I can still trade this? What beautiful.
Order rejected.
Right. Alright. But this is my account right here. Right. We can go to performance stats. Currently at 5.5k, 90% rate, 61% win rate. Right here. It's not good. 24 losses and 38 wins. And then we can go to the P now. I don't know why there's so many trades this one day. Oh, it's because okay. Because this day I scaled in with minis mainly. This one I traded normally. Right. This one was, normal. This one I scaled in with minis. That's why. Because the more minis you scale in, the more it counts as trades, right? Or micros. These 2 days I scaled with micros. But yeah, let me show you guys my trading recap for Monday. Currently it's Tuesday, but I'll show you Monday's trade, which made me 2.3k. So coming into the day, right? We can see that market open just fucking dumps like crazy, right? And we take out pre-market low, right? London low is right here. London hasn't got swept yet. So I'm waiting for pre-market low to get swept, right? And it did swept this internal resting liquidity right here. So after it got swept, I was waiting for either a retrace back into a 1 minute gap, right? I saw the breaker structure, right? But I wanted to fill the 930 or 930 high right here that it made. So after me entering longs off this, low key right here, there's a 5 minute. Sorry, this is kind of annoying. Like the thing, my screen's like broken, so it's kind of hard. But as I was saying, there is a 5 minute gap right here that I should have low key. I think that I went BE at this level to point 0.5 with a 5 minute gap right here, right? I probably should have take profited there. It would have been better, but anyways, I did target this. I went BE at this point 0.5, right? After that point 0.5 got hit, I saw like, alright, it's react is delivering from the 5 minute gap. Is delivering out the 5 minute gap quite well, right? So I saw an inverse right here on the 1 minute, right? And also inverse on the 5 minute also, right? So I reversed my position after the inversion, right? I did wait a little bit longer of the inversion, like a few minutes, right? Because I want to wait for this breaker structure right here. It's candle closed down, got the breaker structure entry, and I took it all the way down to Asian lows where the CME gap was, because there is a CME gap right here, right? And Asian lows is right here. And we can see also, like here, oh wait, it barely missed -4, but yeah, I targeted the CME gap. If I was playing off my standard deviation level, I probably would have targeted -2, but like, I don't need that much money, bro, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, and also New York Open like standard deviation's huge, so I don't no point. But yeah, I targeted the Asian lows, right? I went break even at this London low right here at this level. But yeah, pretty solid trade. I'm not gonna lie. This was 98 point trade, right? This one I was up. I don't even know how much I made off this trade, but yeah. And then coming to Asia Shush, I was considering trading Asian, right? Because I saw it tapped into my -2 and then 2 level from the key open, right? But here, let's say like if we did enter based off the CE of the -2 and -2.5 level, right? So that's Starbucks. If we enter off -2, -2.5, we would have top tick like Hive session, like Asian session, all the way down here. And if we targeted -4, right? Went -4, we would have bottomed shit like crazy. Shows how strong standard deviation. But I did end up taking what Asian session gold trades, right? Let me delete these to clean up my chart a little bit. Asian session gold trade. Let me go on GC1. Right. I ended up taking the trade. I don't know if standard deviation works on gold because I'm not really a gold trader like that. I risked around like I think 650 bucks, 600 bucks. And I targeted 1K, right? When we go in the 4 hour, bro, you can just see, bro. We're fucking bullish. And you know what they say, long at all time highs, right? So I scaled down to the 15-minute, right? Before, like, right around market open, right? We formed a 15-minute gap, right? 15-minute gap right here. I saw it, like, semi-delivering off it, right? So I semi took a gamble, right? No, my entry was more of, like, right here, actually, with this. But I saw it inverse this 1-minute gap, right? And I wanted to wait for extra confirmation. It would come back, reaches to 1-minute gap. I just targeted, like, the -2, -2.5 level, which made me banned, right, on the day. Which is a ban. Let's see if the standard deviation level worked. And it did not fucking work, actually. But then I went on to I went to GC Mini, right? Because I'm already up a band, right? And at this point, I'm kind of getting a little bit greedy. And I know this, but the things like I've learned from my past, so I don't want to lose that much money, and I want to be able to take a bigger trade, right? So I go in GC Mini, I risk less than what a regular con is, right? And then this right here, I got BE on. Like, I was up like 200 on this one, so I got like 200. But here, it's more over here. I got BE on this right here. I was looking targeting like fucking like I didn't even fucking know I was targeting, yo. I was just targeting like hopes and dreams, but my narrative for this was inverse 5-minute, I don't know, but I don't fucking know this. But like I was thinking that it was gonna be a continuation because it inverse this 5-minute gap right here, right? It came back, touched the BPR, and delivered upwards. So I was hoping it touched, this. It was a little bit off and almost close. But after this, like, fucking failed, right? I can see it came back into this 5-minute gap, inverse this. And we have 3 strong diamond candles below, right? And we inverse a 5-minute gap also. So I was thinking, okay, what's stopping this from taking this, like, low or tapping into this rejection block right here, right? Because the DLO, I want it to come to here, obviously, right? And I don't know what indices also like paired with gold. I think it might be silver. And I just wanted to target like around here. And this was 1K anyways. 4.3 was 1K. I want to target 1K. I have my stops above this value gap right here. Comes down, delivers all the way down here. And I'm up 2K for the day. And I was like, alright. We go to my stats real quick. My biggest day is 2.3K, right? I'm at 2.28, right? So I need 2 more win days, but so I was like, okay, what's stopping me from getting close to that balance, right? So I go on an MNQ, right? I risk less as well, and this is just pure greed at this point. I'm not gonna hold you. This is the greed they talk about right here. Like shows. All right. So there's SMT at this low right here, this to this right here, right? And we can see how price inversed this 1 minute right here. And we also swept out a low, also a previous session low, right around here also. We just swept this out. So I was really, really bullish. Not gonna lie. So it's bullish on this, right? I entered up this version. I risked like 2 cons on mini. So it was like, I would need like, I think like 200 bucks, bro. So it was like this. I was like, but yeah, low risk, low trade. I knew it wanted to go up. Didn't know it wanted to go up that high. I mean, shorts just looked even move right here, bro. This SMT at these highs. Pretty sure. There's no SMT at those highs. Probably at these highs right here. But I'm hopping off for the day. So yeah, that's my recap for today. Also, Monday and Tuesday recap.